and welcome. This is a short and simple routine to ease your discomfort, also strengthen your knees. So you may need a chair in the middle of the practice. Let's get started with some ankle rolls. So let's start in a standing position at the top of the mat. Pick up your right leg, option to hold on to anything if you feel struggle balancing. Few ankle rolls in one direction. Feel all the pops and cracks of your ankles. And then release your right foot, pick up the left leg, roll out your ankle. Release your left foot as well. Let's start with some hip circles. Hands come to your waist. If you feel unstable, you can hold on to anything which is steady. Lift your right leg up, right knee roughly below or in line with your right hip. Now open your right knee to the side. Draw it down and lift it up. One more round. Drawing circle from your hip joint. Reverse the motion. Slow and controlled circles. Your shoulders, hips are facing forward. They are not moving. And then release your right foot. Pick up the left leg. Few hip circles on the other side. Reverse the circles. Release your left foot to the mat. Reach your both arms up. Inhale. Exhale, Utkatasana. Feet hip width apart or can come together. Bend your knees and your hips back. Squeeze your legs together. Make sure you're shifting your weight into your heels. Flat back, option to stay here, or you can hold on to anything anytime you feel unstable, or pray your hands at your heart. Stay here for 3 breaths. Stay strong to your legs. One more breath. Inhale, gentle back bend. Extend your legs, press your hips forward. Lift your chest. Exhale. Once again, Utkatasana. Now, press into your left foot, lift your right foot off the mat, maybe an inch or so. Stay here for 3 breaths. Hold on to anything if you want. Release your right foot to the mat, pick up your left foot off the mat. Keep pressing into your right foot for 3, 2, 1. Release your left foot to the mat. Extend your legs, one gentle back bend once again as you inhale. Exhale, release back to the center now. Come all the way to the center of the mat for drinking bird. Feet hip width apart. Step your right foot back so that your right big toe is in line with the back of your left heel. Hands can come to your waist. Take a big breath in. With your next breath out, bend your right leg, lean forward, guiding through your chest. Fold as far as you can until you feel enough stretch at the back of your left leg. Keep pressing the left big toe down. Option to release your hands to the mat, or if you want to challenge yourself to activate core strength, reach your arms forward. Stay here for 2 breaths. Release your hands. Hands can come to your waist as you inhale, lift up, switch to the sides. Now, step your right foot forward. Your left big toe is aligned with your right heel. Take a breath in. With your next breath out, lean forward at your own degree. Explore your angle, listen to your body. Hands can come to your mat or reach forward. 2 full breath cycles here. Look ahead of you. Release your hands to the mat or to your waist. Lift up as you inhale. Step your right foot back. Let's grab a chair now for chair assisted lunges. Well, take a chair. You can hold on the backrest of your chair. Step your left foot on the chair. Take a big breath in. With your next breath out, sink your hips forward and down. As you notice, your knee is past your ankle. It's totally fine. That is we need it. If your heel is lifted, let it be. Now start pulsing here with your hips. Gentle pulses for 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold here for 2 more breaths. Feel a stretch in the front right side of your hip. Keep pressing the back heel down. Back to the center. Release your left foot to the ground. Pick up your right leg. Right foot comes to the chair. Take a big breath in. Grow tall. Exhale. Press your hips forward and down gently. And then start pulsing here for 4 times. And the last time, hold and breathe. 2 breaths. Release back to the center. That's it. Now slowly lie down on your backs. Dynamic half bridge. Bend your legs. Your knees are facing ceiling, feet hip width apart. Arms by your side with your next step in. Press into your heels. Lift your hips up. As you lift up, squeeze your glutes. Engage the back of your legs. Gentle tuck your chin to your chest. Exhale with control. Drop your hips down. 2 more rounds at your own pace. Working with the breath. Inhale to lift. Exhale to lower. One more time. Inhale to lift. Exhale to lower. This time, as you lift your hips, hold and breathe here for 3 breaths. Make sure you're not opening your knees out to the sides. Draw your knees together and gently press into the big toes of your feet. Stay here for 3, 2. Keep lifting your hips up. 1. Release your hips with control. 1 vertebrae at a time. And then get your both legs together. Drop your legs to one side. Extend the left arm to the side. Option to place a cushion or folded blanket between your legs or underneath your bottom leg for extra support. Right hand come to your legs. You can gaze towards the ceiling or away from your legs. Option to close your eyes. That helps you to go a little more inward. Keep feeling the left shoulder open to the sky. One more breath. Legs back to the center. Drop both legs to the other side. Your right arm extends, left hand comes to your legs. Again, choose any modification you need or any support, whatever you did on the earlier side. Look in any direction. Both shoulders are planted. Stay here for 2 minutes. You may feel all the pops and crackles from your low back, releasing the stiffness. Release legs back to the center. Hug your legs. Rock gently side to side. Gentle massage to low back. Now, roll over to one side. Find a wall nearby you. Just sit beside the wall and pick up your legs to the wall as you bend your elbows and scooch your sit bones to the wall. As closer as you can, adjust yourself. And then extend the legs towards the wall. Stay here by placing one hand on your belly, one hand on your heart. Or you can choose bending your legs, the soles of feet together, opening the knees out to the side. Choose any variation. Take deep breaths in and out your nose. Your legs, hips heavy, relaxing towards the ground. Extend both legs, they are bent in diamond shape. And then slowly bend your legs to the floor. Roll over to one side. Lift up yourself back to your normal position. Find any seated variation. Well, that was today's practice. Prayer hands at your heart, bowing forwards, my heart, your heart. Namaste. Well, a few mindful moments can really ease your discomfort and strengthen your knees. Keep up your consistency. You will feel and notice the difference in your knees. If this practice really helped you out, consider subscribing this channel. Also, send this to someone who really needs it. See you and take care.